Good morning, ninth class. Yesterday we have started exercise 7.1. So let us move forward doing question number 4. It is L and M are two parallel lines. Look at this figure. L and M are two parallel lines intersected by another pair of parallel lines P and Q. P and Q भी parallel lines ने, L and M भी parallel lines ने, और एक दूसरे ਨੂੰ A, B, C, D points ਤੇ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ intersect. We have to show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. Both of these triangles are congruent. How we will do it? Firstly, look, I have made this figure and I have already written what is given to us, that L is parallel to M. Second thing, P is parallel to Q. What we have to prove, that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. ठीक है? So firstly I will say that ABCD is a parallelogram because opposite sides are parallel. Now ABCD is a parallelogram. This is parallelogram. ठीक है? Double LGM. Now if it is a parallelogram, so let us consider both of these triangles. In triangle ABC and triangle CDA, this angle will be equals to this angle. ठीक है? Alternate interior angles. Also this angle will be equals to this angle, that is angle 3 will be equals to angle 4. Again alternate interior angles. ठीक है? And thirdly AC is equals to AC. So I have written AC is equals to AC, it is the common side. Angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Reason, alternate interior angles. So therefore by which rule will be applied? Angle side angle. Therefore by angle side angle rule, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. Okay. Now let us move to question number 5. Question number 5 is, line L is bisector of angle A. Line L. Look at this figure. This is the figure given in your book. They are saying that line L, this line is bisector of angle A, means this angle is equals to this angle. Then further they are saying that B is any point on L. B एक point है L दे उत्ते, ठीक है? Then BP and BQ are perpendiculars from B to the arms of angle A. Angle A ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ arms ਨੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਤੇ BP भी एक perpendicular है, BQ भी एक perpendicular है. So what we have to prove? We have to prove that triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. First thing we have to prove this thing. So what is given to us and what we have to prove, we will write in the beginning. Firstly we will write that L is bisector of angle A, that is I can name it as angle 1 and this is as angle 2. Okay, what is given to us, that angle 1 is equals to angle 2 because L is bisector of angle A. Second thing, what is given to us, that angle BPA, or we can say BP is perpendicular to this, I can name it as C and here D. ठीक है? BP is perpendicular to AC. BP is perpendicular to AC. BQ is perpendicular to AD. BQ is perpendicular to AD. This thing is also given to us. What we have to prove, that triangle APB, to prove triangle APB is congruent to triangle ABQ. Now for this, what we will do, let us consider both of these triangles. ਜਿਹੜੇ triangle ਬੇਟੇ ਅਸੀਂ congruent prove ਕਰਨੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਉਹੀ ਦੋ triangle ਅਸੀਂ ਲੈ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ. In triangle APB and triangle ABQ, in both of these triangles, firstly bete angle 1 is equals to angle 2, that is angle BAQ is equals to angle BAP. It is given to us. Angle 1 is equals to angle 2 given. I have already given the reason in the beginning that L is bisector of angle A. Secondly, angle BPA is equals to angle BQA, each 90 degree. Angle BPA is equals to angle BQA, each 90 degree. Then thirdly, AB is the common side, so AB is equals to AB, that is common side. So which rule will be applied bete? Angle angle side, angle angle side. So therefore by angle angle side rule, triangle APB is congruent to triangle ABQ. Second thing we have to prove is BP is equals to BQ. BP is equals to BQ. It will automatically be correct. This was the first part and this was the second part, that BP is equals to BQ. We will write BP is equals to BQ. What is the reason? By CPCT. If triangles are congruent, then corresponding parts are also equal. Okay. Now next, moving to question number 6. What is question number 6? I have made this figure for you. Now they are saying in this figure AC is equals to AE. AC is equals to AE. These lines are equal. AB is equals to AD. AB is equals to AD. These two lines are equal. And angle BAD, angle BAD, that is this angle, is equals to EAC. EAC, this angle. Both of these angles are equal. What we have to prove, that BC is equals to DE. BC is equals to DE. But for this we have to prove what whose base is BC. BC केड़े ट्रायंगल दा बेस है? ABC दा, ठीक है. एंड DE केड़े ट्रायंगल दा बेस है? ADE, है ना. So we will consider both of these triangles. So firstly, what is given to us? We will write it. It is given that AC is equals to AE, also AB is equals to AD, and angle BAD is equals to angle EAC. What we have to prove, that BC is equals to DE. ये ऑटोमेटिकली बाय CPCT हो जाएगा जे असी ये वाले दो ट्रायंगल्स ने ਜਿਹੜੇ कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव कर लिए. सो प्रूफ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ बेटे ਅਸੀਂ दो ट्रायंगल्स कंसीडर करने ਕਿਹੜੇ ਕਿਹੜੇ, ਜਿਹਦਾ बेस BC है और ਜਿਹਦਾ बेस DE है. सो इन ट्रायंगल ABC, in triangle ABC and triangle ADE, ADE, in both of these triangles बेटे लिखो ABC ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ AB और ADE ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ AD, both these lines are equal, ठीक है. So AB is equals to AD, which is given to us. Now second, and this line in triangle ABC, AC, and in triangle ADE, AE. Both of these lines are equal. AC is equals to AE. This is also given to us. Third thing which we have to find is the angle. But now this full angle we know, we have to show. For this, what we will do, let us name this angle as 1, this angle as 2, and this small angle as 3. Now in the side I will write angle 1 is equals to angle 2. It is given to us. If I will add angle 3 both sides, angle 3 दोनों sides में add कर दूँगा बेटे, what will it become? angle 1 plus angle 3 की बन जाएगा angle BAC, ठीक है, एंड एंगल 2 प्लस एंगल 3 की बन जाएगा एंगल DAE, बनेगा ना। सो जो अपने ट्रायंगल दी थर्ड कंडीशन हो जाएगी, ठीक है। आई विल राइट एंगल BAC इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल DAE, DAE हुणी ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹ चीज़ की है। सो केड़ा रूल लगेगा बेटे? साइड एंगल साइड, साइड एंगल साइड। देयरफॉर बाय SAS रूल triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADE. But what we have to prove that BC is equals to DE. It will automatically be clear. This implies that BC is equals to DE by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Okay. Now try question number 7 and 8 yourself. Okay. It is your homework.